Hello, how you doing? So in this quick video I'm gonna show you how to make 360 degrees rotation animation. So if you want to fill up your portfolio more interesting with rotation animation of characters, of buildings, you are in the right place. So I have made this low poly scene. If you want to find out how I did that, check my channel. Alright, so actually we have a camera in the scene, and if I go to view, camera, active camera, we have a final render view. If you want to change final render view, go to view and button on the keyboard, of course, and camera to view. Right now I can change the camera direction, and actually we don't need it. So let's go back, and we have camera set it. What we want next is to add path, a road for this camera. So how we can do that? Of course, the pivot point and the cursor should be in the center of an object. So Shift+S, cursor to selected, and cursor is set to the center. That's very good. Alright, cursor is selected and we are ready to add circle. Shift+A, curve and circle. Scale it up like this, up to camera. Alright, we have, but right now camera is not linked with this circle. So first of all, select the camera, then select with Shift button the circle and press Ctrl+P, follow path. Alright, if I press space button on the keyboard, as you can see, camera is following and going roundly around this object and following this circle. This is what we want. Alright, but right now I want to make that this camera will be focused to the center of this object. So how we can do that? If I select camera, there is an option, object constraint properties, add object constraint and track to. As you can see, these blue dots are representing that camera is focused to the fireplace, but not to the middle point. There is a way, so let's add empty cube to the middle, add the scene, and this object will be not visible. So right now if I select camera once again and with I drop, I can select this empty object, and as you can see, the blue dots following and dots go to the middle of this cube actually. So this is what we want. Alright, so actually we have, if I go to view, camera, active camera, press space button, camera moves smoothly around the main object. Alright, but if you don't like the speed of camera movement, select the circle, and also in object data properties there's an option path animation. So just increase frames 400 for this example, and press space button on the keyboard. As you can see, animation right now is moving roundly. And that's it. If you want to render actually this animation, select render engine and select file format, AVG if you want, or image format, and just press render animation. You have to wait a few minutes, depends on your device. And thank you for watching. See you next time.